Hello, this is Pooja Gautam with Mepso Media. I'm back with Michael Schrenk, and today we are talking about bot development as a career. Mike, welcome back. It's not a secret that bots have a bad public reputation. Can you tell us why businesses are still investing in bot development?
You're right. The only bots that get any attention are the destructive ones. But the reality is that bots are absolutely essential for businesses to automate process, gather and interpret market data, and to test their own systems. The people that depend on bots have gotten over the stigma years ago.
Can you tell us specifically what is a bot?
I don't know exactly where the word bot came from, but I do know that the Russian word for work is really similar. It's robota. So regardless of all the connotations the word has collected in the past, it's just a piece of software that does work for you.
How has bot development changed your career?
While everybody else was becoming a webmaster back in the 90s, I decided to write custom browsers, or what we now call bots. The fact that I was doing something different immediately opened up my prospects to higher visibility clients, and it physically took me to places like the former Soviet Union, London, Madrid, New York, Silicon Valley. Writing bots not only differentiated me from other web developers, I learned to program around uncertainty and probability.
Which industries have asked you to develop bots?
For me, I mostly worked in online retail, primarily automotive, but I've also worked in finance and journalism and publishing. When young developers ask me for career advice, learn another industry as well. And it doesn't matter, learn finance or retail or something. The nichier, the better.
How did you get into this line of work? And what were your first bots like?
My first bots were written when I worked in the advanced concepts group at Medtronic. I wrote bots primarily as Java applets that allowed remote physicians to read electrocardiograms via browsers. That experience changed my life.
What makes the ideal bot developer?
Someone with computer skills and curiosity. Web development would be a definite plus. And Selenium, either with Python or Java. After that, relational database and metadata creation skills are good.
You have now written 3 books on the topic. Can we expect more books from you in the near future?
Yes, there are more books on the horizon, including a Java version of this book in the first or second quarter of next year.
Thank you, Michael, for taking the time to talk to us today.
Thank you.